Yo, what's happening, YouTube? It's Tokyo here, and I just thought I'd break down this trade that I took this week. And it was a pretty good risk to reward as well. It was roughly 6, and yeah, I just thought I'd share it with you guys because I shared it with my Telegram group, and now I'm going to share it with YouTube. So stay tuned if you want to know how I found it and the analysis and the thinking behind the analysis. But otherwise, yeah, roll the intro. What's going on, everyone? So let's just get straight into it and I'll explain what I was thinking. So what I saw on this 1 hour time frame was this wedge pattern, and what typically happens in a wedge pattern is the price gets tighter and tighter and tighter until it eventually breaks out. Obviously it's not always going to happen, but in this case it did. And then I personally wanted to get in on the retest. And once it retested something, either this, bit of resistance that I targeted, or sometimes it retests the outside of this channel, outside the wedge. But yeah, I wanted to enter there. And after I entered, I decided to put my stop loss in quite a nice place, because first of all, if price does go up, it's going to have to go past this resistance zone. So it's going to have to go through that. And if it does manage to get past that, it's going to have to go through this little trend line as well. So I placed this trend line. I placed my stop loss above it. So if I placed it here, price could go ooh, and then find resistance at the trend line and then go down. So I placed it here, so that when it goes up, it has to go through that as well as this horizontal resistance. And then when it comes to the take profit, which is less important in my opinion than the stop loss. I feel like the stop loss is just that little bit more important, because that's where people go wrong, because you got to limit your losses. Well, not everybody, but some people. But yes, I placed it the stop loss there, and then the take profit just below the next major resistance level, in my opinion, because of that's just how the wedges kind of work out, from what I've seen anyway. And then let's just see how it kind of played out. Is play. So yeah, immediately it went into profit. There wasn't that much drawdown, which was nice, because then it gave me a chance to move the stop loss a little bit lower once it got to about here. And then once it got even further down, I just moved the stop to the entry. And then once it got to about there, I just eventually just moved it, because last thing you want to do is give your profits back to the markets. So let's continue seeing how it went. Yeah. And then eventually I didn't actually take the profit, as in I didn't set to take profit. I just exited around here, this kind of price. So yeah, that's basically how I did it. So if you did learn something from this video, be sure to like, because it really helps the algorithm promote my videos and stuff. So be sure to like and subscribe, and because it really helps me out. But otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.